who know the way through.
My Miss
I was watching
Jamaica,
Ghana last year. He was
you're my
we have
Miss
segments when
Jamaica. I'm crowning.
Thank you. I know, Jimmy. I know. What do you see? Well, Simone and I are supposed to draw something. Why don't we suppose? Simone and I are going to draw
suppose
something that's traditional to Jamaica, and we're going to guess what the other person is going to draw.
I think on this Independence Day, Dahlia should free herself from her heels so that we can be the same height.
I'm tired for tell them, you know. But I love show my foot.
Can you take off your shoes so we can be the same
boy.
height?
If I take off my shoes, Simone, we will still not be the same height. I just want to say that. I might, yeah. I just want to tell you, yeah.
But we're closer.
Sheffield said you and him.
We're the same height, Chef?
If I'm here, you would go look at
Come here,
your shoes
Chef.
quickly. You don't
Come,
want
let
to
me
be on
see.
it. You're
Come
taller
here.
than him, man.
Come here. Let me see if we would make a good.
Make a good one.
Come here, the Chef. Fastly.
From Simone said couple Sheffield foot can't move.
Is Coulson in there?
Yes.
Oh
From
no.
Simone.
Coulson can come out, Chef. How this look?
No, Sheffield taller. Simone, I never think I'd live to see Sheffield taller than somebody in her life. Seriously. This serious. Here, Arrow, boy, me I tell you.
It's just pure jealousy from morning.
We're going to draw now.
So it has to be something that is traditional.
No, first of all, it doesn't matter how it's drawn as long as the person guesses what it is. Okay.
That disclaimer is necessary.
Yeah. Me not left. Okay.
All right, go on.
Yeah, my Miss Jamaica. Wait, no, Jody, why you so wicked? I'm an Aki man. I'm an Aki.
That's a rat, a lizard.
Gwen a lizard have three something. Me name have to done and Jody know how. Come in, Jody.
Jody.
And the wing. I see three away him there now.
Jody, stop aiding and abetting slackness. What is that?
Simone, don't be
What
bad
is
man.
that?
From you see the tail, you know, say, come, Simone.
That's a hummingbird?
From you see the tail.
It looked to me like a roachy that's having a...
Roach have tail?
Look like a
roach have a tail?
I didn't finish. It looks like a roach that's having a gas problem.
No, sir. Me don't know no roach with tail. Me don't know no roach with tail.
This is a hummingbird.
You know, say, Al Simone, hello, Jody said hummingbird 3 hours ago, late on late. Oh, you mean?
Jody,
she already guessed. The idea was to guess what it is. So once you guess, I don't have to draw anymore.
But guess what? I didn't guess.
No.
Jody guessed.
But she ball it out already.
But
so.
it's not the same. Jody's not a part
She
of
ball
it.
it out.
Jody.
You know, Al Simone there I thought, do I draw? Simone
I'm
now want
ready.
draw.
No,
Come,
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Ready, Simone?
Okay.
Ready, Simone. No, disappoint Ariana now.
Too easy.
But that not only in Jamaica. Should I forgot draw one dancehall music
Well,
bar?
obviously, you would need to extrapolate, Jody, from the drawing and make an inference as to what kind of music it is.
Poco?
You're just being bad mind.
All me I tell you.
Singing.
Every Rasta right I know.
And then there's
That look like when you see one overripe guava and quash it.
you know, you're just bad mind. You're just bad mind.
Simone the Rasta they not eat
Look,
the ital food.
Look,
the
what is
guitar
this?
looks
Okay,
good. The
okay,
guitar
okay.
looks good.
So then link that
Is
to
a
this
guitar or
math.
is a bow tie?
It's E equal MC squared. What is
Is
the
a
whole
guitar or
thing?
is a bow tie? It is a baby shark go do the. No, you see how long you take Jody for match it out. Jody said,
It's
baby
clearly,
shark, baby shark. Baby.
It's so clearly reggae
Yes,
music.
it's Simone. It's very clear. It's great. Oh, if I go and draw, what? I love that tell. All right,
I don't like
no
this game.
problem.
I don't like my
I
parrot.
love this game. Something again to Jamaica. Beach not everywhere in the world. Mr. Arrow bias. Why me I tell you
What did you say, my Harold?
Hear him. Beach. Mr. Beach not everywhere in the world. Hear him. Not like Jamaica.
Ah, but it's not really the beach. The beach is just an aspect of. I like how everybody wants to play this game. Okay. Ah, Clive. Tourism. These are the people on
All
the
right,
plane
Arrow, talk now.
coming.
Talk
But
now.
he was almost correct because the beach is an aspect of the tourism offering.
Simone,
Mm.
me when
Why
me
you
at
can't-
school, me not like mark your paper at school.
That's why I don't draw. I write.
No,
that
it's
is my
the drawing
strength.
is good, but the extrapolation, a pep. Simone, me still I do common entrance, darling. Me can't bother with it.
Listen,
Common entrance are shady in the
I
answer.
just did grade 4 pep
Me
with
still they are
Aaron.
shady in the
My
answer.
critical
Simone, God, a
thinking
pep.
skills are
Jesus.
strong. Are we
Okay,
done?
darling.
You want us to draw more? No? Thank God.
And you know me just go draw Sheffield? Oh gosh. Sure.
We'll be right back. Oh boy, can you do that?
Me not gonna
Chef.
draw Sheffield. That too tall. Sheffield not tall,
Are
sir.
true.
That's so. See the foot there? Sheffield. See foot there, yeah, foot. Yeah.
That's not nice. Chef is taller than that.
And if you
but-
want it to be arrow,
Yes. Good job. We'll be right back, folks. Master, take it away.